We'll be playing Gorilla Tag. Let's just tag this guy real quick. You're a goober, bro. You're a goober. You guys are a goober.
Goober.
You guys, all of you guys are goobers.
I don't like other people, but they scare me.
Whoever goes in that pool is a goober. Ooh, you guys both are goobers.
You are a goober, but you wish you are. You wish you are a goober. You are a goober, though. Silly goober.
Me?
I killed it. Actually, garbage. Let's find the game time. Goober.
Come here. Where's purple?
You don't need to stand on it. Only one person is
Stand against this pole. Look. It's really funny. Hold up.
not funny.
Stand like right here. Stand like right there.
Not fucking funny. Shut the hell up.
Zoo, chill. I'm leaving.
I want the moon to come so I can try to get out of the map.
Guys, you can't point at the.
All of you guys are goobers, bro. All of you guys are goobers. You're a goober, bro. You're a goober. Just letting you know you're a goober. Yeah, you heard me when I called you a goober.
Yeah, you're the biggest group. I'm just kidding.
Wow, I've gotten so much better.
What did I? I'ma call my mom.
What the hell is that sound? Oh!
Let's take a chance. My goofy uncle is holding me captive and forcing me to watch 50 Concord's videos. My buddy, Quint alias Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head with a rhinoceros horn because he was listening to No Maidens. My grandpa punched me in the head at 90 miles per hour. And I was paralyzed from the waist up. Hey, don't think here. I just escaped prison.
What the hell? I'm getting scared. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting scared.
I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off. A guy named Garfield Jensen bent me over in the
Garfield.
My goofy uncle was holding.
How do you get soundboards?
How does he get it for me? Because you're a nigger. Yo!
Bro,
My God, this is a flip! Oh my God!
My goofy uncle was holding me captive and forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos. My buddy, Quint alias Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head with a rhinoceros horn because he was listening to No Maidens. My grandpa.
Bro, actually, what the hell?
My goofy uncle was.
Bro, stop scaring me!
And forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos. My buddy, Quint alias Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head.
What the hell? Oh no!
I don't know what this is. Do it.
Watch out, Red, run!
Don't worry, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, you 4 years old kid using some.
Hey, Blue, you don't have to tell me. Go, you know, go.
I don't have some.
Wait, who did I get tagged from?
Finally!
No!
You're too good. 4 years old.
I'm good, thank you. No one actually said that to me.
I'm actually the best funk on.
No, you're actually
that's so 4 years old. You gotta.
Well, sandbox, dude. Hey, my sandbox.
You're a goober, bro. You're a goober. You're such a big fat goober. No!
Hey, my sandbox.
I'm sorry, man.
Where's the guy that said I was good? Where's the guy that said I was good?
Hey, my sandbox.
I'm here.
GG's.
I'm killing myself.
No, don't. Stop. No, stop. Actually, stop.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Yo, I'm recording. Chill, bro.
My goofy uncle was holding me captive and and forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos. My buddy, Quint alias Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head.
I hate the Gwandale Dinger here. I'm leaving after I hate the Gwandale Dinger here. You're invited to the P. Diddy party.
I'm sorry. I got too excited. I'm sorry. He's just giving me the duster. Oh, my ears! My ears! Oh, I can't play anything good. My ears, bro. Stop trying to make me deaf. Stop trying to make me deaf, bruh. Hello. Why did you let him tag me like that?
Hey, you need help with playing?
Where'd he
You
go?
need help with playing?
Yo, stop it, guys.
Uncle was holding me captive and forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos.
Damn!
Quint alias Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head with a rhinoceros horn because he was listening to No Maidens. My grandpa punched me in the head at 90 miles per hour, and I was paralyzed from the waist up.
Let's go!
I can teach you. You need help? That's great. That's great news.
Let's go!
Come on. You know how to walk?
Hey, bro, wait, party hat! No!
Let's take a change.
No! How did you guys report him?
Yo, yeah. Do you have a mic?
Yeah?
Here, do you know how to get to competitive?
Yeah?
I don't. Can you show me?
Okay.
I can right now, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want to lose another good server. I kind of like the server.
One of your hands. Take your hand. Put them on the ground like this.
What?
But forward. Eric. Hands. Yeah, cantik ko lang. Okay. I mean, like that really. Okay. So you're gonna take your hands like this and then back.
Bro, I'm so good now.
And then back.
Do you know how to get to
Like this. And then the
I'm Batman.
Nike? Now. Yo, party hat, you know how to get to competitive? Get to what? Competitive.
No way, just take the whole server. There's actually no way, just take the whole server. Oh my god.
You didn't tag the whole server.
Good job.
I tagged like 75% of the whole server. Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh, no, wait.
Please, bro, I just got a day from school.
Don't start me.
Oh, my arm hurts. Please, I want to go back to sleep. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, who watched you?
Yo, papa, bro. Yes.
Damn!
Go up. We're friends, yeah.
Oh, no, he's cheating.
I'm not cheating, bro.
Cheating.
Who's cheating? No.
Yo, I'm not cheating, I'm just good.
Right here.
Ooh, who hit their hand?
How did he catch me? I can never get you 1v1 at me down.
You put blue. Like, here? No, party hat. Like,
Damn, I was never this good.
These one. You isn't cheating.
I'm not cheating! Yo, what?
The blue one
Hey, the wolf guy, am I cheating?
with the hat. What? Nah, you just don't know how to play.
I know how to play, I'm just good.
Not
Whoa! Little kid. No, honestly, you're just mad. I'm good. Take me, Lucy. Yes!
Suffocated by. Well, he just.
Let's go! Let's go! Guys, be honest. Am I actually good or bad? Be honest. Am I good or bad? Who said bad?
You're bad.
You couldn't even tag me.
No, I meant you're very good. I meant you're very good.
You.
I meant you're very good.
Who said I'm bad? Who said I'm bad? Who said I'm bad? Who said I'm bad?
Yeah, guys.
This guy, that's you. Him.
Who, him? Eric's?
No.
Who's Eric's? Eric's, you said I'm bad.
Him. No, not me. Him.
What's his username? What's his username?
Who just read?
What's his username, bro?
Look at it.
Come back here now. Come back here.
He's trying to run away.
Hey, bro, could you speak for me real quick, Wolfguy? Wolfguy, could you speak for me?
Guys, who was
I was scared.
Yo, find his username. Find his username. Find his username for me, please.
Okay, I'll help.
Oh, I think he left. Yeah, he left.
Why do we need fun?
Wow, bro is that scared.
Oh, who wants to do the event?
You can't do an event. It comes out a certain time. Hey, where's Pink?
Woo! Hi. Hi, everyone.
Oh, not again. Go like this. Hit it like this. 1, 2, 3. See?
No, you're not allowed on my broomstick, sorry.
Are you recording?
Everybody come on Pippa's phone. Maybe next time.
Where is this guy at?
No! I fell! No!
Bro, where's Pink?
I gotta go back. I gotta go back. I gotta get my
Yo, I saw your best player in the lobby.
falling.
Go to the competitive or something.
Me? I'm not good at competitive. I'm not even good at the game.
This is not competitive. Sorry.
Yeah, I know.
Go to competitive. Let me just go around. I'll come back. You stay there.
Yo, it's raining like crazy outside.
Really? No, I gotta do it. To hop on my broomstick.
Just do this, bro. Just launch.
Okay, stay there, quick. I'm coming. Right, one of you hop on my broomstick. Come on. I fell off. Get onto the back, hon. We're friends. Okay, can you get onto the back, please? Because I'm this driver. I'm the driver of this bus. Well, here, and we gotta take a lap around. Just pick up more kids. I hate
I'm just wandering around now.
No! My broom! I'll come around! Where? You're not gonna break it. Yeah. Okay. Guys, come in the back. He's the driver. I know.
No.
Guys, I'm the driver of this broom. If I fall off, then you all have to wait for me. Because I'm the driver.
I'll go to.
Oh no! My friend fell off! I gotta come get you!
I'm gonna come back.
I'm coming back! Stay on this road! I'm right here!
This guy's traveling.
I'm here!
Are y'all gonna help me, bro?
Yeah! I'm in the middle!
Bro, can y'all please help me? Like, I wanna.
We're not good at the game. We don't play competitive every single day of our lives.
I don't play competitive every single day of my life.
I'm coming!
Exactly. This kid does.
Oh, I fell!
All right, Pink. Not gonna lie, you should go to competitive.
I'm right here! Turn, yeah! Get on! Yeah!
What the hell? But that's actually my first time doing that.
I'm in the
overtake you. Oh my god.
I'm turning too far. Go down, go down. Turn. Kids, get on the bus, quick. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sweating, bro. I'm so tired.
They fell. We lost some kids.
Let's go. High five.
Next lobby.
High five. Alright, bye.
We're in a YouTube video.
I know, same here.
Come back. I'm coming back.
Hey, shout me out for taking you, bro. Shout me out.
Okay, yep, go up. This is your driving license. Go down.
Yep, good.
Hey, guys, can I get in?
Yo, hop on the bus, bro.
Hey, yo, what's good, chat?
Everyone
Hey, guys.
I'm always at the front.
Chat was good.
Of this bus.
Chat was good.
Everyone get on the back so I can see where I'm driving.
This is right there.
Get on the back, everyone.
I'm on the back.
Yeah, you
Ah.
get on the back, you get on the back, you get on the back.
But I'm a good player. I'm a good player. Where do I go?
I ain't getting on no bike, bro.
Riley.
Wait, if I'm a good player, where do I go?
Shark boy, you in the driver here.
Aw.
Get on.
Hey, y'all.
You're in the middle. Oh my god.
Idiots.
The driver fell off. Here, I'll be the driver.
You're not juicing,
Actually, no.
nigga. Stop saying, oh my god.
I'm right here. Well, that's your lucky, bruh.
Hi, Pumpkinhead.
I jumped off. What you mean?
Hi, I'm Stella.
Oh, come on.
That's how your punk ass got tagged on punk ass bitch.
I want to stay on.
Nigga, I smacked in your mama Grace, nigga. Grace. Hey, yeah.
Can I be the driver?
Turn. I'm turning it. Yep. Come on. Yay.
Oh, no, he left the minigames hat.
Now turn. Yep. Good.
I kind of like this, bro. Ow! Oh!
We're doing a crazy turn. How do you do that?
This guy looks acoustic.
Do that. Did he fall? He fell off.
Wait,
I fell off.
where's the last person at?
Come on, hurry.
Get on.
Wait for me. No.
Look at everybody.
Turn around to get you. You don't have. Yep, I'll control it. I'm gonna control it.
Wait, where's the last person?
Turn. Yep.
It's blue.
Yeah. Yep. I'm the driver.
Wait, well, guys, where's the last person?
And turn.
Yo, guys, can you check? Guys, can you find the last person? I'll control the bus.
Okay. I don't know where.
Everyone hop on! Everyone hop on!
Come on.
It's our local driver, JJ the One.
Come on.
To the back, please, to the back. Everyone go to the back. Please, to the back. I'm turning. I'm taking a turn.
Go to the back.
Go to the back, guys.
Bro. Everyone get to the back, bro. I'm the driver. In it.
Wait, so major crash
Yo,
into
you
my
two
dad's
know
car.
you two know I'm the driver.
That's blue.
Wow. Yeah. Can you get to the back, please? Get on, quick! Quick! Come on!
This is my hunt. Ah, bro, this bubble.
I'm the driver.
Oh,
Everyone
dang,
in
bro.
the back.
Wall climbing.
Guys, I'll wave to you so you know where I am.
Where did bro go? Oh,
yo, he's up there.
let's go!
No. I'm over here, baby bro.
Hey, yo, baby blue was crazy.
Please don't get me. Please don't get me, honey. No. You made me lose my friend. You made me lose my friend.
Oh, my boundary.
No. Go because of you. The bus made me driveless because I fell off. My baby! I'm coming!
No, it's an infection person.
Just like I saw you! Yeah! No! Come over here!
it's fun the moon, man. Yeah, you got a little gibberish in ya. Can you say I don't like that game mode? Please, bro, please. It's for the viewers.
No.
Please, I'm having the best experience of my whole entire life.
Alright, what is the word?
I don't like that game mode.
Hell no.
Please, I skipped school for this.
Go and find another British.
No, please. You got a little gibberish in ya, mate.
Help me get up there. I'm the last.
To the
Last one alive right now.
On Halloween, there will be a fire. You take his pee.
Let's go get the leaderboard and see if you're the last one.
On
He's the last one.
there will be a fella who go take
No, he's the.
his pee.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah. Hello, quick.
Bye bye.
No, give me in, please.
Can I sign into something online to get? Yeah, I'm coming. Good. Come on.
Don't take me. Y'all trying to take me, bro. If I was it, I would have been taking everybody.
That's going for me. Wait, that's going for me. Oh, I'm coming. That's going for me.
I could clearly tell someone's behind me. Oh, it's just purple.
Come on, hurry, run, block. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Hello. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, get the spoon! Get the spoon! No! I didn't get the spoon! Don't take me! Monkey!
Abbas,
I'm coming! Oh my
you are y'all, bro? Like, try and tag me, please.
Oh, bro!
I'm over here.
Oh, bro!
You laugh like a minion.
Hey, oh my god!
What the hell?
Oh my god! I'm over here! Bro.
Well, time to tag the rest. Where's TTT Cook? Where's TTT Cake, guys? Where's TTT Cook? Is it TTT Cook? Yeah, TTT Cook.
Wait, TTT I'm trying to go as slow as I can. Grindstone, honey, grindstone. Can someone
Okay, I will. Come. Come here if you want to get tagged. Okay. This guy wants to get tagged, but at the same time he doesn't. That's weird. That's very weird, bro. You don't want to get tagged, but you want to get tagged. Come here! Yes! I need some water for that.
One to be tagged.
Hold on, I need some water. Hold on, I need water. Hey, make it fair. I need water. Hold on. Bro.
Are you having me on? Are you actually having me on?
Shukr Alajan. Whew. That was some good water. Excuse me. Let's freaking go. I need another water for that.
My control disconnecting. Where? We're gonna get tagged.
Yum. I'm scared if I drop the water bottle again, bro.
See you next year, guys. Bye. Why are they getting so close to us? No!
Sorry.
so serious. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, don't tag it. Yeah, the driver.
Santa!
If you want to get on my butt,
Damn!
you're gonna have to be.
Santa, leave the game! Damn!
We're gonna infect you.
Santa, please leave. Santa, please leave. Santa, please leave me alone. Damn! Where's Santa? You guys better start running. Santa's coming.
Lucy, how can I annoy Lucy? Lucy,
And it's Halloween update.
get her, Lucy.
Santa's Halloween.
I fell. Everyone, meet me by the slide.
You fell. You're
Santa, there's another guy right there. Oh, you after me, Santa.
Lucy's spawning, I think.
Well, she better not be coming to me, bro. Now, tonight. You wanna add? No!
Come tag me.
I'll be back. Well, would you say this is funny?
Yo, Santa, what's up, bro? Santa? Santa!
Yeah.
Santa Choo!
Really? I bought some Should I tag this little pumpkin right here?
Uh-oh, infection person. Cause someone please, if someone's British, can you please say I don't like that game mode? Please, somebody. Oh, really make my day.
Come tag me here, film. It's not for like saying hi to me. You want to read some of that?
Brick tag.
Hi. Can someone teach me how to play?
Yeah, I will. Right after the last person left.
What are you doing? Swing your arms about.
Come tag me.
Get
No,
wrong.
Sabro.
Holly.
Easy.
Your hand up if
Oh,
you're
we're not gonna have to come in.
Oh yeah, I'm cooking. Oh yeah, I'm cooking. I'm cooking so bad.
with the face mask.
Yo, no one. Yo, am I the last person left, chat?
What the hell? No, nah, that guy's got mods. Yeah, that guy's mods.
Oh, Blue, you know what they're saying to you?
Point even trying.
Blue, you know what they're saying to you? Blue, they said you got mod.
Dude, these kids are bad, bro.
So rude.
Where is he? Where's the last guy?
We're up here on the tree, just hanging out.
Shoot them.
My friend, I need my friend. Where is he? Cause I'm coming on my witch room. I'm coming.
Bro's TTT cook.
And don't think I.
What?
Hey, buddy!
What?
Yeah?
Here!
You call me.
Come on!
Jump to that one, boo. Jump to that one. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, no!
I'm going as fast as I can. No! I'm on!
I'm coming up.
I'm on!
Oh,
Oh, that's your
Blue, you got this. Wait.
Oh, holy.
oh.
Trick or treat.
Give me some. I'm not giving you no candy. Get off my house.
Yeah, I ain't got that one.
Uh-oh.
Anyone want to?
Uh-oh.
No, it's just.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing, Blue?
Should we just let's just do some tricks? So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go on the wall. Let's go on the walls, yeah. The walls there.
All right, mate.
2, 1.
Uh-oh. Just letting you know I'm not good at walls that much.
Go back to the graveyard. I'll come back.
Watch this. I'm gonna go on slippery.
Oh no. Let me try that.
Oh no, I'm a sweat now. I confirm myself as a sweat because I sweat every single time I play on my VR.
Oh, where are the lava monkeys?
I don't know. You wanna go down and jerk the lava monkeys? Oh!
GG, yeah, sharp, good job.
Thank you.
Crash.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to tag you, bro. Oh, wait, what the?
GG's.
Oh! Right when he. Ow! My hand! Oh, my hand! Couple, give me a second. I need to drink water. Where's my water? I need to drink water!
Come in.
Just ain't really fair. There's no more froggy for you. No more froggy for you!
Hi guys, in the tree.
No!
Yo, holy shit, bro.
I'll be back. Like a monkey bar.
Hi, Blue.
Huh? Oh, hi.
Blue on the tree. Look at that floor.
Hello, guys.
Yo,
No, I need to get my broom. I need to get on my broom. Come on. I can make it. I can make it. Stargate. No.
Hello, Blue.
Hello, Blue. Hello. Wait.
I'm not blue. I'm infected.
Come on. No. Broomstick.
Let's freaking go.
No,
GG.
will be up to 7
Oh,
years.
go back to
I'll
Monday,
stay there.
never.
Easily. You know I can do it. Don't I see?
Oh!
He said, woo-hoo. Wait, I messed up though.
Okay, I turned out all the way to bad to good now.
I can't really hear you. I'm listening to music.
Can you go on slippery? I can go on slippery for like 5 seconds. 5 seconds, yeah.
Can you go up, Slippy?
Huh?
Yo! Like this, can you do this? Oh, damn. Whoops. 1 second. Yo, please don't tag it. Elliot! I'll get you. Oh my god.
Watch this. Frick, I messed up.
Yo!
Watch this. I'm gonna go on slippery.
Yeah, that was my plan. That was my plan the entire time.
Let it die.
Hello.
Lucy, can you get me,
Hello.
please? Get me.
Should I go? Anna, not the tag. Ultimate City, hell.
Yo, you're Arabic.
Hello. ناسي تقول تاج.
Yo.
والله ست سريع والله وذمة أمي ست سريع. قولي شنو بعد؟ يبيني.
Is this guy okay?
والله ما راح أطلع والله.
Yo, this guy. It sounds like this guy's speaking unspoken language.
إيه مناط.
Same والله. والله ما سمعت أنا إنه هو اللي.
يمكن باكر أشتري.
Yeah, I know that.
سمعت
No! Julian! No! I'm sorry, bro. Just go without me.
Blue, we're friends. Hey, look over there.
يمكن باكر منكوس سري. يمكن أبي. قولي شنو منكوس سري.
Yo, this guy keeps on speaking unspoken language.
Please, we're friends.
Okay, fine. We're friends. We're friends. We're friends.
Wait.
We're friends.
We're friends. We're friends. But I must tag you to be on my team.
Record the video. Yeah, I'm gonna race you up. Yeah, I'm gonna call. Like,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. We're friends, right? We're friends.
No, it's not you. It's
and
him.
when I say I'm gonna call, you gotta just fall in front of me in my height, okay?
No.
You can be on TikTok. What? Does anyone want to be on TikTok?
Almost.
Anna. Does anyone want to be on TikTok?
Almost. منو أنا؟
It's this guy. Almost.
I'm sorry, Blue. I'm sorry, Blue. Blue. We're friends, right? If we're friends, then you gotta go with me, right? You gotta go with me.
Right, you're gonna come up when I say I gotta call him ready. So I'm gonna turn and I'm gonna say I gotta call him ready. You gotta like go.
I'm sorry, Blue.
Wait.
Blue, I'm super sorry. How do you do that? Yeah.
Look, bro.
Stop tree camping.
Stop using that bow. Scares me. Scares me out. Oh, shortcut. I'm sorry, short.
Hey, can I show you something?
This is when I go crazy.
No, bro, just get tagged.
Wow.
Me and Tree is crazy.
That's how to rig up someone.
Whoa, that's so crazy mode.
Is that to a girl?
I need water for that. I need water for that. I need water for that. I need water.
Tell me my walls are not insane, bro.
Hmm?
You are? You got a
Bro, my walls are cold, bro. The way,
That wasn't insane, sorry.
bro, I'm cold.
No offense, but that wasn't kind of not insane.
Oh my god, he is sick.
Wait, can I teach you how to do it?
Holy,
Shukr Allah John, hold on.
I'm calling the feds. And you won't be saying
Oh, shukr. Alhamdulillah.
Shut up.
What is it?
Can I teach you how to do it?
Sure.
Come, follow me.
Who are you? This is my house. Who the fuck are you?
I'm gonna show you how to go up there. So put your hand in the L shape.
My house, bitch.
Alright.
I'm letting
You
you
come over, put your hand backwards, or like this. This is how I do it. Then you wanna do this,
Okay.
handle.
but you wanna use both hands.
Oh, okay, thank
So
you,
wanna-
thank you.
want it to
Thank
be
you.
like-
Ah, okay, thank you,
wanna be
thank you.
like that.
Thank you.
No, like this. Shortcut, look. Look, you wanna be like, so like this. Look how I do it. Wait, hold on. I messed up there.
Ah, okay.
Use your hands to get a boost.
Oh,
So like this. Look, put your,
hold on.
look.
Ah!
Put your hands both in L shape.
Oh, you have to use two hands? I can kind of do it. Hold on. If I didn't have this
If
infection
you
thing,
wanna do it one hand, it will take some learning, but
I don't like this infection thing.
I'll do it like this because it gets a boost.
I
So you wanna
can't
do this, look.
do it.
Look, you wanna do it like this. Put your hand here, yeah? Then you wanna boost up like this. So you wanna get...
All right,
you doing? What are you guys doing?
I'm practicing.
Teaching him how to do this.
Oh!
Not get off there. You wanna keep on practicing it.
Wait, I can kind of get up there.
Shortcut, it will look like
Just watch this. Watch this. See?
Shortcut, it will look like this. Look.
Hold on. I think I could do it. I can only do it right here. Hold on. I could see it. I could see it. Hold on. I could see it.
I could probably roll,
Oh, so that's how you guys do it. Okay, that's how you guys do it. Ah! Yo! I was so close!
No, don't do it with one hand. You have to get a boost.
I was like-
So like this.
Alright,
So look what I do to the wall.
can I tag you, please?
Wait, I messed up. Wait, don't tag me. Don't
Okay,
tag me.
okay.
Don't tag me. Go there. So look what I do to the wall.
No!
Then once you get the hang of it,
No! Watch.
You're so ugly like a bitch.
No!
have a boost. Don't do it with one hand. Just do the boost. Like this. Look, like this. Yo, blue shell. Look.
Ah, I got the boost. Hold on, I got the boost.
No shortcut. Don't do it there. Do it right here. Do it right here. Look how I do it. Look how I do it.
Ah, okay.
I go, go, chill. No, you don't want to go up. You don't want to go upwards. Because then you'll drop. You want to go like...
Hold on.
You want to do it in small circles so it looks like this.
Hold on, actually do it. Hold on, I might actually do it. Small circles. All right, got it.
Shortcut, don't do big circles, do small circles. So look, like do
Hold on, I can do it. I can do it. Hold on, I can do it. Watch.
Billy, what the
Yeah, but whenever I'm doing a small circle, I fall down.
Or you can just do it one hand, because you're actually good at one hand.
All right.
One hand's kind of hard for me. Oh.
Bro, I'm not good with my left hand. That's the problem. I have to move a little bit more.
Look. See, listen. Do it in small circles like this.
Alhamdulillah.
And just...
Alhamdulillah.
We'll do it slow to get...
There's sweat in my eyes.
No!
Mom,
Do you know how to do this?
I want this girl to play.
Shortcut, do you know how to do this? Look, okay? Come. Do you know how to do this?
No, to play.
No.
Oh, how?
Wait, I messed up that one. Wait, look.
Oh yeah.
No, not that way. This way, look.
Hey, you.
Mom,
This way.
you can't come here.
Tap
You
on it,
can't
tap
come
on it.
up here. Mark's doing it.
Mark's
Mark's
doing it.
doing it.
I'm gonna push me out that window. Now it's I'm gonna push out the window.
Yeah.
Whatever. I don't want to waste my time doing this. Alright, so guys, now we're just gonna go look for infection.
I'm gonna go change my color.
I'm messing up.
Oh, I was so close.
How do you guys do that? How do you guys do that?
I don't know. He just taught me.
Do that.
Whoa, no.
Wait. Do you stop that?
Is it like this?
Is it something like
This? Like this?
hello? Wait, blue hair. Shortcut.
What?
Try and do it. Try and do it in here and don't think about doing it.
I'm not really
Shortcut.
What the hell? Alright, well, that's it for the video, guys. That's it for the video, guys. Bye and have a great time. Peace.